of the budget session of Parliament, which begins tomorrow, senior BJP leader L.K. Advani has said that his party is looking for a way to resolve the Sushil Kumar Shinde issue. This statement coming on a day when the BJP leaders have been protesting at Jantar Mantar since the morning against the Home Minister's saffron terror remark. This statement coming in from L.K. Advani, the senior BJP leader, who says we are trying to find a way to resolve the Shinde issue. This statement coming in just ahead of the budget session of Parliament, which begins tomorrow, and the BJP having gone on record saying that they will be cornering the UPA government on this. Tavleen Singh joins us for more on this. Tavleen, with the BJP leaders clearly saying that they will be cornering the UPA government on this, nothing short of an apology will do. What does L.K. Advani's statement of trying to resolve the issue actually mean?
It's very clear as far as the principal opposition party is concerned, and as you rightly pointed out, this comes just minutes after the BJP, that the leaders, senior leaders like Rajnath Singh, Arun Jaitley, Venkaiah Naidu and others who had assembled here at Jantar Mantar to protest against Sushil Kumar Shinde's saffron terror remark, and saying very categorically that the party's demand is specifically that before the session commences tomorrow in the morning at the Parliament, they want the Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde to withdraw an unconditional apology and withdraw his statement, and otherwise, they want the Prime Minister to dismiss him from the government. Now we have the senior patriarch or the senior most leader of the party, L.K. Advani, very categorically saying that somewhere or the other, both sides will work together to find a resolution to this particular, problem as far as Sushil Kumar Shinde is concerned. So there is a sense that, even though the government has said very categorically that there is nothing wrong in what Sushil Kumar Shinde has said, even yesterday Kamal Nath had said that there's no chance for Sushil Kumar Shinde to withdraw this particular statement. L.K. Advani is now somewhere or the other, making sure that some work in the Parliament is done, but it is very clear as far as the party is concerned, as far as even L.K. Advani's statement that he has given right now has to be read in the same context, that the party is maintaining the stand that they want Sushil Kumar Shinde to withdraw his statement.